Hi everyone, this is Dipti and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share what are all the things that I think a newborn must have. I believe in these things and I love these things. I mean, I'm not going to share the basic things that like diaper, clothes or everything, but I'm going to share what are all the things that are still unique and people still do not know about, and I think they are essential for a newborn. So without any ado, let's just start. Okay. My number one item, without any doubt, a fabric sheet. It's a bed protector over here. This is not the size. This is 1/4 of the size that we bought. This could cover a crib mattress as well. So this is the 1/4 size of it because I actually cut it into cut it into half, then cut it into another half. So this is 1/4 of the actual size, but this is the bed protector and I would really recommend, please buy this thing. It's very easy, it's washable, it's fabric. See, the material here is fabric and this is elastic at the back. This is stretchable. I love it. I wash it at least once in 2 weeks or whenever I think that it's dirty, I wash it. Number 2, you would need this thing. I'm telling you, it's the saline drops. It's the Nasoclear saline drop that I bought. But I really love this thing because it was too difficult to clean her nostrils during the time she was born. She was born during winter, so it was difficult to clean her nostrils, and she didn't have cold at all, but she had blocked nose in the morning. So I used this thing and it worked very well. Number 3, washcloths. You will need a washcloth for burp, for breastfeeding, or there are plenty of things, other things that you would need the washcloth. So I love these hankies or these washcloths. I don't know from where my mom bought. My mom bought it, and I think from the local market. So I'll show you. This is the size. It's very small. See the size? It's so small, so tiny. But I really love it. It's stretchable and it has a little bit of fur to it. It's so cute. They come in few colors and they come in this packing. These have 6 washcloths and I use them. They are very handy and I use them everywhere. So I used it for feeding, I used it during the birth time, and I have placed 2 hankies in each room. Fourth one is a must have. So it's a play gym or a play mat. We bought the play gym instead of play mat at that time because it's easy to carry during traveling, and it's a must have. Rhea played with it all the time. I used to do chores with the help of that because I used to lie Rhea under that and I would do anything that I would want to do. And it was so easy to tackle her at that time. So she was tiny and also she had something to play with. So play gym is a must have. Number 5, mittens. Yes, you need this. They are so tiny. This one is a bigger size, but you need mittens. In case if you missed cutting their nails at any time, then mittens would come handy. So a newborn have like 2 big nails all the time and it's too difficult to cut every other day. So instead of that, I used mittens, and it was winter, so it was easy to put on mittens. Next is sanitizer. So I don't have sanitizer right now because my baby is already old. But when a baby is born, a sanitizer is a must because they have very sensitive skin, and I have this very small sanitizer because I carry it during traveling. So whenever an outsider comes near your baby and wants to pick the baby, then it's better to ask them to use the sanitizer before carrying your baby. I would recommend buying a good sanitizer at that time because baby skin is very sensitive and sanitizer is a must have. 7th is a must have. You would already be knowing about it. These are wet wipes. So I use Johnson's wet wipes and it's a must have because so there are still some ladies that don't use wipes because they do not know about wet wipes, about the baby wipes. So I want to recommend this thing because I really love this product. It has helped me a lot during poop, or even I just don't clean her mouth with these wipes because they could have chemicals, but I would still recommend this because it's easy to clean their bottoms. And whenever you leave your makeup on during night, I mean, you forgot to clean your makeup and you don't want to go to washroom and wash it. So instead of that, just use the baby wipe. So I would recommend this product. Next, I would recommend some toys like the musical toys, because newborn can only see around like 10 to 12 inches. That's like almost this much. That's almost like this much. So it's better to play with them using the talks or using the music. Yes, you can hear that. So I used this toy. I always carried this during my travel. So I use this toy in my handbag or everywhere. So its music is very calm and she just loves it. Rhea just loves it. So a musical toy is a must have. Ninth thing, I would recommend buying a rocker or a bouncer, because baby would be very relaxed in that. I didn't buy it because I was in my hometown and I had to travel back to my home. So I just didn't buy it at that time. But I would really recommend it and I think you should buy it. Last but not the least, I just love this product. It's a bather. So it's inclined like this. It's like a chair, and also your baby can lie here and you can place this on the floor or you can put this in the tub. And it's a net. See, it's net. It's a mini product. You can see it's a mini product. It's net, and water will be poured from this thing. It's easy to bath your baby due to this thing. And the main thing about this thing is it's washable. Yes, this is net, this is fabric, this is net, and this is cloth. So it's washable. I just love this product and I would really recommend it. Okay mommies, these were 10 things that I think are essentials for the newborn. But please do share what you think that that I've missed, if that is essential for a newborn or new mom. So do share in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.